Hello everyone, I am Dr.A.NAGALAXMI, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr. S.N.S. College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am here to explain one of the function of management, it is directing. Directing refers to the process of technique or instructing, guiding and inspiring, counseling, overseeing and leading people towards accomplishment of organizational goals. It is a continuous managerial process that goes on throughout the life of the organization. Now we are going to see what are all the characteristics of directing. So the characteristics, first characteristic is initiates action. The second one is pervasive function. The third one is continuous activity. The fourth one is descending order of hierarchy. The next one is human factor. So these are the characteristics of direction. So initiate action. So a directing function is performed by the manager along with planning, staffing, organizing and controlling in order to discharge their duties in the organization. While other functions prepare a platform for action, directing initiate action. Next is pervasive function. Directing takes place at every level of organization where there is a superior subordinate relationship. Directing exists where every manager provides guidance and inspiration to its subordinates. Continuous activity. It is a continuous function as it continues throughout the life of the organization, irrespective of the changes in the manager or employees. Next is it is a descending order of hierarchy. That is, directing flows from the top level of management to the bottom level. Every manager exercises this function on his immediate subordinate. Human factor. Since all the employees are different and behave differently in different situations, it becomes important for the management to tackle the situations appropriately. Thus, directing is a significant function that gets the work done by the employees and increase the growth of organization. Now, we are going to see that is the principles of directing. Maximum individual contribution. One of the main principle of direction is the contribution of individual. Management should adopt such directing policies and motivate the employees to contribute their maximum potential for attaining the organization goals. Harmony of objectives. Sometimes there is a conflict between the organizational objectives and individual objectives. Next is unity of command. This principle states that the subordinate should receive instruction from only one superior at a time. If he receives instruction from more than one superior at a time, it will create confusion, conflict and disorder in the organization and will also will not be able to prioritize his work. Appropriate directing techniques. Among the principles of directing, this is the one state that appropriate direction technique should be used to supervise, lead, communicate and motivate the employees based on their needs, capabilities, attitudes and other situational variables. Managerial communication. According to this principle, it should be seen that instructions are clearly conveyed to the employees and it should be ensured that they have understand the same meaning as intended to be communicated. Use of informal organization. Within every formal organization, there exists an informal group of organization. Manager should identify those people and use them to communicate information. There should be a free flow of information among the seniors and the subordinates. As effective exchange of information are really important for the growth of an organization. Leadership. Managers should possess a good leadership quality, influence the subordinates and make them work according to their wish. It is one of the important principles of directing. Flow through. As per this principle, managers are required to monitor the extent to which the policies, procedures, and instructions are followed by the subordinates. If there is any problem in implementation, then suitable modification can be made. So these are all the principles of directing. So I think we have got some input about what is meant by directing in management. Thank you for your patience listening.